How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and you know what time it is. It is time for the joke of the day. If you're new to this channel, we do this 5 days out the work week. You probably had a long or stressful day, and you want to come and watch one of my videos, plus hear one of my corny jokes. So here it comes. I don't wear glasses anymore. I've seen enough. Come on. That's not too bad. But anyways, what we're going to be talking about, you can tell I'm super excited. But hey, I'm always excited. So we're going to be talking about SNDL. And towards the end, after we cover everything with SNDL, we're going to be going through Palantir. PLTR is the ticker symbol. But for SNDL, what we want to talk about is that they were able to beat their earnings estimates. I'm going to pull it up on the screen. Just give me a moment right here. Sundial Growers Q4 sales 13.90 million, beat estimate of 12.07 million. SNDL reported quarterly sales of 13.90 million, which beat the analyst consensus estimates of 12.07 million by 15.16%. This is a 35.50% decrease over sales of 21.55 million in the same period last year. So the fact that they were able to beat estimates is huge for SNDL. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing a technical analysis, taking a look at the price action and so forth, looking at the support areas, the resistance areas, and whether you want to think about actually getting into a position or adding to your position, or maybe you might be thinking about taking profits. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to be doing a technical analysis on SNDL Sundial Growers. So like many other stocks that we ended up reviewing today on the channel, we end up having a gap down due to the Fed meeting and so forth. So we ended up seeing a low here at $1.37. We can see that we have some support here right at this $1.38 area, which is something to keep an eye on because we were able to hold down this support level really well during the pre-market. The next support level above that was here at $1.40. As we got later on, that showed to be a solid area as well. But what we got to take a look at as we got into the regular trading hours, we've seen that we had a support level here at $1.42 while hitting resistance area here in the morning sessions at $1.50. So as we move on, one of the things that I love seeing is that we're actually building up levels of resistance. It was a big time catalyst today. We know that SNDL was going to be releasing their earnings, right? So we see the resistance level here at $1.50. Ends up breaking through that, we end up getting to $1.52. End up breaking through that, then we end up getting to this area at $1.56, and then hitting up this resistance area where we couldn't get past. And this literally lasts for quite some time, going all the way from 210, going all the way into the close till 4 at this resistance here at $1.58. We had this area as a resistance as well into the after hours, but as you can see here, SNDL has been running up because we had some good news on the earnings report. So as you can see, from $1.58 making a run so far to $1.73. It looks like Sundial might be trying to test $1.80 at the minimum before after hours is closed. But hey, this is something that we really wanted to see from SNDL, and it's contributing to this bullish movement that we're seeing. If we take a look at the 5-day, 5-minute very quickly here, it will definitely be looking forward to see it get past this $1.89 area. We already know that we have stimulus coming in full circulation, a lot of people putting it into their broker accounts. So tomorrow, if SNDL is able to get into this $1.80 range, like I usually say, things can get very, very interesting. You can see that we definitely have some areas in regards to when we pass here, we could easily get to that $1.85 with the momentum, the volume, and the demand for this particular stock. So as you can see right here, we're doing a great job. As you notice, once we pass this particular resistance level that we had in the past, that's why we were able, and it looks like we could definitely reach up to 175. Once you get through that 175 level and we add in that volume during regular trading hours for tomorrow, we could definitely end up testing the 180s and testing up to the 190s, because this is very, very bullish, because not a lot of people and a lot of analysts were not expecting SNDL to beat the estimates, and they did, and they actually did a great job doing that. So this is what we want to see as shareholders of SNDL. Anyone who has been holding through the volatility and so forth, hey, you're being rewarded handsomely. And anyone, let's go back. I'm going to show you guys quickly the 3-month 1-day chart. Anyone who is able to get into SNDL under $1, things are looking really good. So the next areas, as you can see here, as we take a look at the 3-month 1-day, we want to definitely see it just get past this $1.75 area. That's definitely a key area of resistance. And also another area of resistance is this $1.95 area. Once we get out of there, we can start looking towards seeing the $2 range and seeing what happens going forward. Hope you guys found that helpful. And as far as what I'm expecting, I'd like to see some moves to the upside. The conditions and the settings are there with everything that is going on. But if we end up making any downward movements, I would like to see SNDL do a great job, try to hold down that support in that 140 area to 150, staying above that 21-day EMA line. So in conclusion, hey, I am really excited to see that SNDL was able to beat estimates. They've actually been doing fairly well as of late. We've already gone through it in regard to their joint ventures they have going forward. We already know about the capital that they have on hand. It's like, I just love seeing this, and knowing that when the months go by and also a year from now, seeing where SNDL at has me very, very interested and makes me a proud shareholder as well. Also want to put in a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. And like I promised in the beginning of this video, yes, I'm going to give you guys a quick update on PLTR, which is Palantir. So let's get into the technical analysis very quickly, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts after that. So what I want to show you guys quickly in regards to the Palantir chart, this is a 3-month 1-day chart. So I want to give you guys some particular support areas to look out for, just in case you're thinking about building a position, or maybe you might want to add to your position, or maybe you bought in high and you just want to average down, okay? So as you can see right here, we have some strong support in this $24 area, as you can see in front of you. So this is an area anywhere in the $24 range is an automatic buy zone. If you can get it below 24, then definitely, hey, take advantage of that, right? Because it doesn't spend too much time under $24. So I would definitely take advantage of anywhere between 24 and even between 26. So 24 to 26, you really can't go wrong, but you could definitely catch 24, and also it's possible to catch 23 if you do see it. Add to your position. This is great for a long-term play. Also, if you want to do it medium term, especially when the market begins to recover and so forth, I do believe Palantir can reclaim here around this $30 area. As you can see, that's an area of resistance. Once we pass this particular area, 32 can come very, very quickly, as you can see. And then once we pass 32, then we could definitely look forward to seeing it get all the way to 33. So again, I still see a lot of upside. We can see all the way over here, Palantir on January the 27th was at $45. So I could definitely see this stock getting back into the 30 range very soon. So yeah, so that's the reason why I want to go over this play with you guys and show you these support areas and what the potential looks like for this company. So for Palantir, I'm definitely feeling bullish about it. Right now, I feel like it's at a very reasonable price, considering it was at a high in the 40s range, and you can get it for as low as the 24 to 25 area. This is a good area to start building out. This is the type of company that I can see 1 year from now, you should be able to double your current investment if you're looking into getting into it right now. I will be doing another video doing more of an in-depth analysis on PLTR, which is the ticker symbol, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention and keep you guys inside the loop. Like I said, I see this as a medium and long-term play, but for myself, it's going to be a long-term play. I've also noticed as well, if you can catch it in that $24 range, then it's a good idea to start using some option opportunities as well. I definitely see it bouncing a lot between 24 to 26. So if you want to get a quick option play in, that is definitely something to take a look at. But as it starts running up and it starts getting into that 30 range, I'd have to take some more time to figure out, okay, what are the support, what are the resistance area, where does it feel comfortable at, and then I'll update you guys on that. But for now, how it currently stands, it definitely has this tight range that it tends to trade into. But hey, I'm looking at it as a long-term investment, and I just wanted to bring that across your radar. I think only about a couple of people asked me about this particular stock, but hey, I'm bullish on it. We'll talk soon.